We're at the kitchen. Chef Dan Geltner. Vegan Breakfast Burrito. Chef Dan Geltner, you've invited me here for some breakfast burritos.
Yes.
Explain to us what's going on.
All right. So what we're doing is vegan breakfast burritos. So there's no scrambled egg. We're gonna make a tofu scramble. It's gonna be more delicious than your regular breakfast burrito and much more healthy. So we start with our organic tofu, right? We got this beautiful organic tofu.
Look at that. Look at that.
We just break it up. Here, I'm gonna help. Here,
it.
help me out. Help me out here.
I don't do this often. I don't eat a lot of tofu.
Roll up your sleeves.
So my tofu breaking up skills may be lacking, but I'll do my best.
All right, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil, some red peppers and some onions, some turmeric. You love the turmeric, right?
Yeah.
Because of its anti-inflammatory properties.
That's what I love.
Yeah.
So good.
So that's cooking up. That's getting hot. We dump this in.
Go for it.
Beautiful. Mix that. It gets nice and yellow. Starts to look like scrambled eggs. Then we got our nutritional yeast. It's used a lot in vegan cuisine, one, because it's healthy, right? You get a lot of B12 from it. It helps give a nice savoriness to the vegan food, you know?
Yeah.
So then to finish the seasoning, always a little bit of salt. And then our secret ingredient, the Smoke Show hot sauce. That goes right inside. The vinegar in the Smoke Show gives a nice acidity to the eggs, which will go perfect in our burrito. All right, a little taste.
Yeah.
You gotta taste first, make sure it's good. I think that needs more Smoke Show.
Yeah.
More Smoke Show.
More smoke show. Get it, boy.
All right, beautiful.
Love it. Delicious.
That's good.
Holy shit.
All right.
Tofu. Dan, you got me eating tofu.
Yes, we're changing you.
This is crazy.
All right, we got these beautiful vegan wraps. They're raw, they're gluten-free, they're sugar-free. We have our house-made vegan mayo, eggless mayo.
How do you make eggless mayo? Isn't mayo just...
It's all about the pea protein.
Oh, shit. That's what I thought.
All right, so now we got our organic greens. So you make a nice bed. All right, next we're gonna put the scramble. So the scramble just goes right on top. You know, a couple nice big spoonfuls. And you can do this at home. Like, it doesn't have to be in a vegan wrap. Like, you can use a regular tortilla wrap. You can use whatever you have at home and do the same thing. You know? Then we made this beautiful little slaw.
Run us through it.
It's just black bean, corn, and I put some pickled jalapenos to help bring out the Smoke Show flavor.
More on brand, you know?
A little of that on top.
Dude.
It's gonna add some texture. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you because I can't stop. I'm so fast, you know? It's gonna add some nice texture, some more acidity, some nice spiciness. And this is all about spicy, this burrito. So now, this is the hard part. We gotta roll them up. We're gonna roll it up. Roll it up to win, you know? So, you're gonna pull it in tight, bring it over.
You're a
squish,
pro.
squish. Don't worry about things falling out. We'll get it all back in there. Beautiful. Now, we take one of these for you.
This is the Bustan.
One of these for me. We picked these up specially from Bustan.
You can only get these at Bustan.
Roll it up.
The whole thing in.
Yeah. Fold the sides. Roll, 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 roll. Tight, 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 tight. You got your little burrito here. All right, throw them in the oven. Whoa!
Bad practice. Don't throw food.
All right. Those will go in for like 5 minutes. All right, now let's take the burritos out of the ovens. Oh yeah, you could tell they're hot because I pulled them right out of the oven with my bare hand.
Yeah, Dan's favorite.
Yeah, open it up. You gotta eat it out of the paper because that's the fun way. The best way to do it, you wanna know how you gotta eat these? In one hand, you gotta have the burrito. In the other hand, you gotta have the Smoke Show. And then you add a little as you go.
With every bite.
Yeah, here, I'll get your own bottle. One for you, one for me. Always more sauce, always.
So good.
I got Dave eating vegan food.
Thank you, Dan Geltner. Big thanks to the homie Dan Geltner, Chef Dan Geltner, for converting me to having faith in vegan food.
We got all kinds of fun stuff in the kitchen. We love using Smoke Show hot sauce here.
Come by.
Come check it out. Call the number at the bottom of the screen. I'm out of here.